In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to connect .NET Console application to Oracle database using dotConnect for Oracle. You have the option to choose between a free trial and the full version. The free trial lasts 30 days, providing access to all features. It's not for commercial use and doesn't require a license key. To begin, simply download the installer from the dotVart website and install it. If you decide to buy the full version, your activation key can be found in the dotVart customer portal. To get started, you'll first need to create a new console application project in Visual Studio. Before we start coding, let's take a quick look at some data from the Oracle database. Right-click on Data Connections, then select Add Connection. Input your Oracle connection properties and click Test Connection to confirm that everything is set up properly. Keep in mind that the dotConnect for Oracle provides direct access to Oracle without the need for an Oracle client. It also supports connection methods like SSH, proxy, and more, offering greater flexibility. Once the connection is live, expand the Oracle connection to see all the available tables. For example, let's open the tables to inspect its fields. You can retrieve data from the tables to review the structure of the data. Next up, let's get the necessary components to enable Oracle connectivity. Right-click on the Solution Explorer, select the NuGet Package Manager, and manage NuGet packages for solutions. Search dotVart Data Oracle and click Install. Your project is ready to work. Now your project is all set up and ready to go. In our case, we'll configure the project by replacing the default code with a pre-written script. In this script, we'll set up the Oracle connection string, which includes essential details such as the host, service name, user ID, password, and license key. Now, in our application, we're going to connect to the database and retrieve data from the employee tables. Once we run the application, the console window will display the result, showing whether the connection to Oracle was successfully established and whether sample table rows were fetched. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Feel free to share the video with anyone who might benefit from it.